solve the some examples. In example number first, one table is given. Observe this table. Some points and its coordinates are given. Decide the following pairs of segments given below the table are the congruent or not. First pair is given, that is segment DE and segment AB. This first pair is given. Then first of all, find the distance between point D, that is length of DE. Length of DE equal to distance between point D and E. Here coordinate of D is -7, coordinate of E is 9. Here greater coordinate is 9. Therefore this is 9 minus -7 equal to 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Number 1. Then find the length of AB. Length of AB means distance between point A and B. Coordinate of A is -3. Coordinate of B is 5. Greater coordinate is 5. That is 5 minus -3 equal to 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Number 2. From 1 and 2, observe that length of DE is not equal to length of AB. That is, length of DE is not equal to length of AB. Therefore, these two segments are not congruent. That is, segment AB and segment DE are not congruent segments. Then example number second. In second, given the pair, that is segment BC and segment AD. Segment BC and segment AD. First of all, find length of BC and segment AD. Length of BC equal to distance between point B and C. Coordinate of B is 5. Coordinate of C is 2. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Then find the length of segment AD. AD means distance between point A and D. Here coordinate of A is -3, coordinate of D is -7. Here -3 is greater than -7. So -3 minus -7. Subtract smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. That is -3. This minus plus 7 equal to 4. This is number 2 and this is number first. From 1 and 2, length of BC 3, length of AD 4. Therefore, length of these two segments are not equal. Therefore, length of BC not equal to length of AD, and therefore these two segments are also not congruent segments. Then, example number third. Third pair is given, segment BE and segment AD. Segment BE and segment AD. First, find out length of BE. Coordinate of B 5, coordinate of E is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, length of BD means distance between point B and D. Coordinate of B 5, E 9. 9 is greater than 5. Therefore, 9 minus 5 equal to 4. This is number 1. Then find the length of AD. That is distance between point A and D. In second pair, we find the distance of AD. That is -3 minus -7. That is -3 plus 7 equal to 4. From this 1 and 2, length of B equal to length of AD. Length of BD equal to length of length of BE equal to length of AD. Therefore, these two segments are congruent. Therefore, segment BE, congruent segment AD. Then, in example number second, example number second is given, alongside that is M is the midpoint of AB and length of AB is given 8. Then find the length of AM. This AB is given 8 and M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, AM equal to half of AB. Reason, M is midpoint. M is midpoint of segment AB, and therefore this AB equal to 1 by 2 into 8 equal to 4 unit, Similar example is given, example number 3. P is the midpoint of CD. If CP equal to 2.5, find CD. Here CD is given, CD is to find out and CP is given. So solve this example by similar way. Then example number 4, if AB equal to 5 cm, BP equal to 2 cm and AP equal to 3.4 cm. Then compare this segment. First of all, I write the length of given segment in answer, that is AB equal to 5 cm, BP equal to 2 cm and AP equal to 3.4 cm. By observing this, 5 is greater than 3.4 is greater than 2. 5 is the length of AB, 3.4 is the length of AP and 2 is the length of BP, and here the largest segment is AP and the smallest segment is BP.